Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Speaker, National Assembly, Honorable Minister of State and Chairperson BISP, distinguished representatives of foreign missions and development agencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. It's a great honor for me to welcome you all to the conference of National Socio-Economic Registry organized by BISP. Ladies and gentlemen, BISP maintains a fully operational socio-economic registry which is not only used for its cash transfer programs but also serves other social assistance programs, as BISP shares its database of poor households with both government and non-government welfare agencies. Recently, BISP has launched the updation of its registry. We are employing two different methods of targeting. The self-registration or desk approach is being experimented in 4 districts with a view to making the registry dynamic. The door-to-door survey approach will commence in mid-February. By adopting objective methods of targeting, BISP aims to improve its service delivery by focusing on most eligible and intended beneficiaries of its program. The update exercise is expected to assess current status of the current beneficiaries, identify new poor households, and move out households which no longer need cash transfers from BISP. We hope to complete the updation of registry by March 2018. Detailed presentation on the salient features of NSCR will be made shortly. Before I conclude, I'd like to appreciate and acknowledge the technical and financial support provided by the World Bank and other development partners to BISP for the NSCR update. With improved and quality coverage of survey, we hope to have a rich and credible database on socio-economic status of households in the country, which would be of great value for planning and designing social sector policies and programs. Thank you.
I will now request Mr. Pachanmuthu Elangovan, Country Director, World Bank, to kindly address the audience.